Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log in to your Word Trip application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open the Word Trip application from your app drawer. Wait until the application loads up. Once you launch open the app, you can go ahead and start playing the game right away. Or if you want to sign in and save your progress, then simply go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner from the main home page. This will then open up the menu. Here, simply go ahead and tap on the login and play option. You can choose the Facebook option or sign in with your Apple account. In today's video, I'm going to choose the Facebook option. So simply tap on login and play and tap on the continue button in the pop-up to end up on facebook.com. Here, you can go ahead and log in with your Facebook account on a web browser, or if you want to open up Facebook application, tap on open. Make sure to log into your Facebook account by entering your Facebook account's credentials, and it'll then find your account for you. Once you are logged in, tap on this continue button in blue, which will then log you in to Word Trip with Facebook. Tap the open button to open up the Word Trip application via Facebook, and there you have successfully logged in. You can now go ahead and continue playing the game, and your progress will be saved throughout the game. So that's how easy it is to log in and sign in to Word Trip. You can also go ahead and use the sign in with Apple option. Enter your Apple ID and you should be able to sign in with Apple as well. That is how easy it is to log into your Word Trip game within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.